So, hello teachers. Today we will be presenting about our project called SpinCart. It is an e-commerce platform featuring interactive 3D product models. About the project description, right? SpinCart is a single vendor e-commerce systems, online stores that can use interactive 3D models to let user examine product in details. Our database supports all core features, including user account, product management, shopping cart, and the order process. We focus on creating a schema that is both fully functional and highly efficient. The next one is our ER diagram. As you can see in our diagram, we have a standard but robust e-commerce structures, key tables like users, products, order, and payments from the core. We also have specific table for dynamic features such as the card items to manage active sessions and reviews to build a community trust. Um, we also decrease complexity by making a key decisions. First, we handle a 3D models as an external files not in the database for performance. Second, we omitted our supplier tables fitting in the single vendor modules. For user experience, we add clear structure for login and sign up, the card item system, and the review functionality.
This is our website, SpinCart. You can click sign up and enters all the mandatory details. And you can click confirmed, and you'll be redirected back to the login page. You can just enter the username that you have just signed up, and as well as the password. You'll be accessing through the home page, and you can see all the products. Let's say I want to add the keyboard to cart. Let's say 3 quantities, and you also can see the reviews and the descriptions, and add to cart. You get the pop-up on the corner right side of the website as well for the notifications. And I can just search through the search bar. Let's say I want the air purifier. You can just search Puri, and it will just come up with a smart air purifier. And you also can add that to cart. You also can change the quantity of the products, and if you want, and the total price as well as the subtotals also changes. And if I want to delete from the cart, it also changed the total payment and remove the products from shopping cart. From here, you cannot place order if you have not entered the details yet. I will show you. See, important notice, and you have to enter all the personal information first, address and payment. After you have entered all the necessary details, you can just go back to the shopping cart and place orders. You'll see on the left side is the product that's still in your cart and you're about to order it. Your personal details, address, and the payment method. Also the subtotals and totals that you are about to pay, and you can click checkout, and you can we assume that the customer have received the products, and the customer can just review, like for example 4-star, and it works well, and click submit reviews, and it will auto update the reviews at the back end. For example, it auto increment the number of reviews here from 3 to 4, and it choose the top review comments for that products.
This is to showcase the insert method. As you can see here, our current user is user ID 5, and we have 1 item in the cart. If I add 1 more to the cart, and I add it, front end says 2 items, and the back end says I refresh, and the database says there's 2 items in the cart, which user ID 5. Now this is to showcase the delete method. As you can see, we have 2 items in the cart for this user ID 5, and if I click delete one of the items and check the database, reload the database, it is gone for one items, so there's only 1 rows currently.
Now for the update, you can see here that we have 1 items in the cart, and the quantities is only 1. If I click incrementing it to 5, and the database should also increment to 5 quantities. If I refresh, as you can see here, the quantities of the database is 5 for that user, for our current user account, which is user ID 5.